Dear students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. Now in this video of number systems, we are going to continue with the previous video where we had taken some solved questions related to addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. So this is part 2 of the same video. So some more questions we are going to take up in this video. So let's start. Now these are the few questions which we are going to solve in this video. Now before starting with solving of these questions, let us first of all revise the important points which will help us to solve these questions related to addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. So these are the important points, the three important points you have to keep in mind while solving the questions. The first point was like irrational numbers can be added or subtracted by just adding or subtracting their coefficients. For example, we have 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Now both are like irrational numbers because they have the common irrational factor, that is root 2. So 5 plus 7, that is 12, root 2 is the answer. Further, unlike irrational numbers cannot be added or subtracted. For example, we have root 2 plus root 3. They cannot be combined together because we don't have any common irrational factor. Now further, given any irrational numbers which are not similar, we will reduce such irrational numbers into simplest form. Right, for example 3 root 125. Now this can be reduced to 15 root 5 by just taking out the factors of 125, that is 5 square into 5, which is 5 root 5, and 3 into 5 is 15 root 5. So this is how we can reduce the irrational numbers into simplest forms. So these are the 3 points which you have to keep in mind while solving the addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. Now let's start with the questions. Now first question is root of 48 minus root of 72 minus root of 27 plus 2 root 18. Now if you observe, these irrational numbers are not similar, so we shall reduce them into simplest form. Let us take the first one, root of 48. 48, we know it is 16 into 3. 16 is 4 square, so we can say root of 4 square into 3. Now further split it, so root of 4 square into root of 3. Root of 4 square is 4, so 4 into root 3 is the simplest form of root 48. Now let us move further. We have root of 72. 72 is 36 into 2. 36 is 6 square, so we can say root of 6 square into 2. Further split it into two parts. Root of 6 square into root of 2. Root of 6 square is 6, so 6 root 2 is the simplest form of root 72. Now we have root 27. 27 is 9 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 square into 3. Now further split it, root of 3 square into root 3. Root of 3 square is 3, so 3 into root 3. Now further we have 2 into root of 18. 18 is 9 into 2. 9 can be written as 3 square into 2. Right, and over here let us split it, so 2 into root of 3 square into root of 2. Now root of 3 square is 3 and we already have 2, so 2 into 3 into root 2. 2 into 3 is 6, so 6 root 2 is the simplest form. Now the entire expression can be written in the simplest form as 4 root 3 minus 6 root 2 minus 3 root 3 plus 6 root 2. Right, now over here if you observe, we have 4 root 3 and minus 3 root 3 as the like irrational numbers, and we have minus 6 root 2 and plus 6 root 2 as the like irrational numbers because they have the common irrational factors. Here we have root 3 as a common factor, here we have root 2 as the common factor. Now we shall simplify them by taking the common irrational factor outside, that is root 3 and root 2, and in bracket we are writing the coefficients. Right, so 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 into root 3 is root 3. Now over here minus 6 and plus 6 will cancel. Root 2 into 0 is 0, or we can cancel here also. Here also we can cancel because minus 6 root 2 and plus 6 root 2 is 0. Right, we can cancel over here. So root 3 plus 0 is root 3. This is the answer. Now let us take up second question. Simplify square root of 125 minus 4 root 6 plus square root of 294 minus 2 into root of 1 by 6. Now each of these irrational numbers are not similar, so we shall convert into simplest form. So root of 125, we know it is 25 into 5. 25 is 5 square, 5 square into 5. Further split it, so root of 5 square into root of 5. Root of 5 square can be written 5. 5 into root 5 is the simplest form of root 125. Now let us take the second one, root of 294. We are skipping 4 root 6 because already it is in the simplest form. 294 is actually 49 into 6, which we can write 49 as 7 square into 6. Further split it, root of 7 square into root of 6. Root of 7 square is 7. So 7 into root 6 is the simplest form of root 294. Now we have 2 root of 1 by 6. Actually it is root of 1 upon root of 6. So basically we have to rationalize the denominator, that is root 6. So we shall multiply by 6 in the numerator as well as denominator. So we shall get 6 upon 36. 36 is 6 square, right? So square root of 6 square is 6 and already 2 is there. So 2 by 6 into root 6. Now further we can simplify over here, 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into root 6, right? So we have rationalized the denominator over here. So now the entire expression we can write in the simplest form as 5 root 5 minus 4 root 6. This is already there. 7 root 6 and minus 1 by 3 root 6. Now if you observe, all these are the like irrational numbers because they have the common irrational factor root 6. So we shall take root 6 common. 5 root 5 as it is we are going to write, and in bracket we are going to write all the coefficients. So minus 4 plus 7 minus 1 by 3. Now when you'll solve it by taking LCM, you will get the answer 5 root 5 plus 8 by 3 root 6, right? Now question 3 is simplify 3 root 45 minus root 125 plus root 200 minus root 50. Now if you observe, these irrational numbers are not similar to each other. So we have to convert them into simplest form so that we can get like irrational numbers, because all the addition and subtraction can be applied on only on like irrational numbers. Unlike irrational numbers cannot be added or subtracted. So let us take the first one, root 45. 45 is 9 into 5, which further can be written as 5 into 3 into 3. Now 3 square. So root of 3 square is 3. 3 into root 5. That is the simplest form of root 45. Now root 125 factors are 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 square into 5. Root of 5 square is 5 and further multiplied by root 5 because only one 5 is left under the root. Now we have root of 200. 200 we can say 2 into 10 into 10, 10 square. So root of 10 square is 10 into root 2. Root of 50 is 5 into 5, that is 5 square into 2. 5 square, root of 5 square is 5, 5 into root 2. So all these are the simplest form of these irrational numbers. Now the entire expression can be written in the simplest form as 3 into 3 root 5 minus 5 root 5 plus 10 root 2 minus 5 root 2. Now over here if you see, these are like irrational numbers, right? Root 5 and root 5, and over here we have root 2 and root 2. So these both are like irrational numbers and these both are like irrational numbers. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5 and 10 root 2 minus 5 root 2, we can say it is 5 root 2. Further 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Or we can take 9 and minus 5 in bracket. We can solve like this also by taking root 5 as a common factor, and 9 minus 5 plus root 2 as a common factor, right? And 10 minus 5 So in this way also we can solve. 9 minus 5 is 4, so 4 root 5, and 10 minus 5 is 5, so 5 root 5, root 2. So this way also we can solve, right? Now let us take up one more question. Question 4. Simplify fourth root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus square root of 225. Now if you observe these irrational numbers, you will find that this is fourth root, this is cube root, this is fifth root, this is square root. All are different irrational numbers. First of all, let us convert them into simplest form. Now fourth root of 81, this is the radical form which we can write in exponential form as 81 whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 and whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now whenever we have one power inside and one power outside, according to the laws of exponent, we multiply the powers. So 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now 4 and 4 will cancel. 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3. Now cube root of 216, which we will write in exponential form as 216 whole raised to power 1 by 3. 216 is 6 cube whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now multiply the powers, cancel 3 and 3. 6 raised to power 1 is equal to 6. Now fifth root of 32. 32 raised to power 1 by 5. 32 is 2 raised to power 5. Multiply the powers, 5 and 5 will cancel. 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. We have square root of 225. In the exponential form, it will be written 225 whole raised to power 1 by 2. Now 225 is 15 square whole raised to power half. Inside and outside powers will be multiplied. So 15 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 15 raised to power 1, which is equal to 15. So all these we have converted into simple form. Now over here, the entire expression consisting of minus and plus can be written as, in their simplest form, as 3 minus 8 into 6. Then we have plus 15 into 2, then plus 15. Further simplify it, 3 minus 48 plus 30 plus 15. Now add all the plus terms. So 3 plus 30 plus 15 is 48 minus 48, which is equal to 0. So 0 is the answer. So this is it, children. Hope you have understood all these questions related to addition, subtraction of irrational numbers. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.